Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Ghana Energy Sector Recovery Program Tender. This notice announces an invitation for bids for the Ghana Energy Sector Recovery Program, identified by Project ID P173258, with notice number OP00332615. The tender, initiated by the Electricity Company of Ghana, ECG, is for the supply and installation of smart prepaid meters. The procurement method is a request for bids, and the deadline for submissions is March 7, 2025, at 10 a.m., with notices having been published on January 9, 2025. This follows a general procurement notice for the project that appeared on the World Bank website with reference number OP00285389. The Ghana Energy Sector Recovery Program is financed by the World Bank, and the present tender is part of this initiative. This procurement involves the international competitive bidding process outlined in the World Bank's procurement regulations and invites bids from all eligible bidders. The tender is divided into 4 lots, each covering the supply and installation of smart prepaid meters in different districts of ECG. Lot 1 includes Afinia, Ashaiman, and Tema North. Lot 2 comprises Prampram, Tema South, and Nungwa. Lot 3 is for Kwabinya, Roman Ridge, Makola, and Teshi, and Lot 4 involves Mampong, Adenta, Dodowa, and Legan. The contact person is Eli Atakba, whose email is etakba@egg.com and phone number +233-244-522582.